back and we're really late. Things have happened. Certain things have happened.
I got engaged!
We are very excited about this. So we've been a little busy, guys.
Yeah.
Just a little bit busy.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to keep being busy. But you know, if you watch us enough, you know this about us, that we watch and react to videos 5 years after it came out. So we're not going to stop.
Right.
So speaking of 5 years, the first video we're going to react to is Rosé's Toxic Till the End. We already saw her video, Number One Girl. We didn't react to it, but we're going to react to this one because we heard it was really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
And so, as always, the star of the show has to appear, because it's always about him and not about us, honestly. But let's do this reaction.
Don't interrupt.
Can you see? Oh,
It's fine, just leave it.
okay. Oh, okay.
Mike went and just walked away from me. I don't know where to go. I'm lost.
Call us what we are, toxic from the start. Can't pretend that I was in the dark. When you met my friends, didn't even try with them. I should've known it then that you were jealous and possessive. So manipulating, honestly impressive. You had me participating. Back then when I was running out of your place, I said I never wanna see your face happen. I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic till the end. It's even when I said it was over you hurt. Baby, can you pull me in closer? You were all another stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the X.
I present to you the X.
Right.
Playing with the pieces in my chest. Now he's on the screen, saying don't leave. You stole that life from me 'cause you're just jealous and possessive. So manipulating, honestly impressive.
Nuh-uh.
What? I
The
couldn't
phone
catch it.
vibrated and he turned it off. Like, not turned it
Oh.
off, but he shut the screen and he put his arm over it.
Mm-mm. That's not toxicity.
That's why I was laughing. She said, even when I said it was over, baby, you heard pull me in closer or something like
Oh. I mean, it's called Toxic to the End.
that. Right. Oh!
T, she said you wasted my previous years.
Never wanna see your face happen. I couldn't wait to see it again.
Wait, did she beat him up? Because he had a bandage.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh. Hmm. It's DS.
The X. The infamous X. Well, oh,
Ooh.
there's more. You're missing it, Mel.
I mean, I don't know if people know, but he was in the reboot of Gossip Girl. That was kind of a fail, unfortunately.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
Rosé, Toxic to the End. So it reminded me, kind of like her first song. It's kind of like Olivia Rodrigo's, like, kind of sound and what she sings about kind of thing. I like it because I think it's very relatable. I think a lot of us have been in toxic situations like that.
Which is why I was
like
laughing
that.
at the line.
Like,
like when I said it was over and you heard baby pull me in closer, I'm like,
yeah. And then we fall for it every time, you know? Like,
it's so true.
I liked it.
I think this is why this song was, I believe it was kind of going viral. I don't know if it was going viral on TikTok. All I know is that just on social media, whether it was TikTok or Instagram, people's stories, they were literally screenshotting and posting that song. And now I could see why. Because it's something very relatable to a lot of us.
It's those toxic relationships that's so hard to let go of, you know?
Pretty much. That's why it's like toxic till the
It's
end.
like candy. It's just, you keep going back for more, you know?
Right.
I liked it. I liked Rosé.
Yes, I loved it.
Very different vibe from her song with Bruno, but I liked it.
Right.
But we're going to continue down this BlackPink train.
So now we are going to react to Jisoo new video solo called Earthquake. We loved her flower one, so we're gonna see how Earthquake is now that she's in her, I think it's her own label now. I think it's her own personal
Is it?
label.
I
Either her own label or her brother's label. I don't know, but it's a label.
She's doing her own thing, but
Right.
basically, basically. She's doing her own thing. So I wonder if it's gonna be the same sound as Flower or it's gonna be very different. So
Period.
let's go, Pooh. Pooh. I'm just ignoring you today. I'm not here. Jisoo looks different. Oh, there's a little word. Okay.
Whoa, what? What? Huh? Guys, these confusing videos.
Oh, hello.
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
I don't know why, but in my head, I wasn't gonna mock a voice, but it kind of sounded like how his voice came out.
It's like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 몸이 떨려 can't stay.
I'm trying to find it, Jisoo.
널 부정할 수 없게.
Oh, it's a car that crashed, I guess. Can you trust him? What if you get hurt? Ooh.
I'm dancing on the floor. Give me that good from every.
What?
Excuse me, Jisoo? Good food from every angle? I'm on some type of drug. Once up, maybe I'll fold.
I gotta. What?
Miss Jisoo, you're on your grown? Again, Miss Fashionista here.
Right.
Always with the impressive outfits.
Sorry. So he's a famous actor. I think he is.
I don't know, he was hot.
That's what you said. I can't. I wasn't laughing because I was laughing at her face reaction. Like she just like, yeah, that's my man's.
I have so many thoughts on that at the same time. Very different from Flower.
I actually like the song.
I don't know how to feel about it. I think I don't know how I feel about it.
I'm gonna be bold and say I like this better than Flower, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. And I will say it is a little confusing with the switching, I guess, of it, that I was like, oh no, please don't be like one of those songs. But it's not like it was bad, like where it's like, doom, 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 and then, like where it completely switches and you're like, whoa. I will say this song sounds like it could be in a movie. Even like a spy movie. I don't know, for some reason. I don't know. It sounds like it could be in a movie.
It does. It does. I will agree.
The reason why we were doing like this is because the chorus made it seem like, you know, the infamous trends that they were doing on TikTok before.
Yeah, I think it was just a little confusing to me. Like I was never able to like catch on to the song, like to nothing.
I can see why you say that.
To like the beat, the way she was singing it, like my brain was just confused. And then on top of that, the music video was
right.
There was a lot. So I just confused is how I feel. That's it. Confused. But she looks stunning as always. Like I said, she is the fashion girly.
Yes.
And I know for when we reacted to the Flower, someone said something about the reason why her thing was so fashion-y.
Yeah.
Like fashionista. I forgot what it was. I'm so sorry.
BlackPink, I can't remember. Or is it Lisa? I don't remember.
But yeah, she looks stunning. She looked beautiful. I'm just still trying to gather my thoughts. But that is it for this reaction for Rosé and Jisoo, our BlackPink girlies.
They are coming on tour. They're coming back together to go on tour.
They are, which confuses me personally because they haven't come out with anything new. So I'm like, what are they?
But we don't know. Did they even release the dates on when
touring?
Because my thing is, they just announced that they're touring, and I'm pretty sure if they're touring, they're probably gonna come back with something. There's no way that
I would hope so, because then that's just weird to me. Like, because then what is it gonna be? Just all their solos?
And them repeating their BlackPink songs is what it is. Yeah, pretty much. But there's no way. They're probably gonna come back, and when they do come back, you'll see a reaction from that.
That's a fact, because we love BlackPink in this house,
right?
Anyways, we love you guys so much. Give a little love to that like button. Give a little love to that subscribe button. And comment down below anything else you want us to react to or say hi back. And just talk. And sometimes I get tired of talking. But yeah, just give us a little chat.
Comment to say hi. Comment to write what we can't.
You see? It's not that
What you want us to react to. Now certain videos, if we have reacted to them and if you don't see it, I said in the previous video to also remind us, but also if we can't react to it, a lot of the times we'll tell you we tried reacting but it got blocked or whatever the reason it was. So you can let us know, but also kind of be prepared to know that because we are a small, very, very, very small channel, I'm just gonna go with that excuse because honestly I don't know how everybody else is doing it because we don't get the viewage like that. We're a very small channel. We don't get I guess we don't have the subscribers like that. We can't necessarily react to every videos because a lot of labels already immediately block it. So,
but we'll try our best.
Yes.
And if we can't, if it gets requested and we try doing it, we can't, we'll just let you guys know and comment back.
Right.
But we love you guys. We gotta keep this ball rolling because once again, as always, we're very behind. So see you on the next video.
Good boy.